welcome back. It is always great to see our friend Aaron Walquist from Habitat for Humanity of Springfield, and he's brought along his new friend and our new friend, Chandler Johnson with Arvest Bank. Good to see both of you.
Great to see you. I just want to make sure, did I mention last week or last month that the ReStore is the Thrift Superstore?
It is.
Okay, all right.
It really is the
Thrift Superstore. There we go.
Look at that.
Here, I need to do mine too.
In case you didn't know, we'll point it out to you one more time.
Here, on the other side. Oh,
Okay,
sorry, I stepped on feet.
You're like, there we go. Oh, wait, when it comes back, we'll be here.
1, 2, 3, ta-da!
Love it.
Okay.
And back to our places.
Oh, sorry. So, yes, we have a special guest today for Women Build.
Yeah, I'm really
Chandler.
excited to be here. They didn't prep me for all the fanfare that I was needing to do, but no, I'm really excited. You know, I represent Arvest Bank. We are the presenting sponsor of the Women Build. We have been for many years, and it's just a great opportunity for our community to come together and build a house for a very deserving family. You know, obviously, we come together as women, powerful women, and it's exciting to not only kick it off in December, on December 9th at the luncheon, but then also to get our feet dirty, our feet wet, our hands dirty.
There you go.
I've cut siding. I have crawled around on my hands and knees, and we've put tar on the foundation. But really, we just want to invite other teams to join us. You know, we're looking for teams to sign up and join us on our luncheon on December 9th at 11:30, and then invite them back out to build this spring.
Yes, it's a home built by women. Completely
Okay.
by women, right?
So the luncheon kind of gives maybe newcomers an idea of what to expect, and then like, hey, we're going to gear up for springtime when it starts to get warmer, and we're going to build this house.
Yeah, December's all about that motivation, that getting us all geared up, and really just empowering women. You know, I think we're providing it to a single mom and a very deserving family. So it's just that time to come together to boost each other up, you know, women supporting women, and then to go and really help out another woman by providing a legacy of a home that she's going to be able to pass on to her children.
So you've done this a while. Have you learned a lot about the home building process?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yes. I think my biggest shock was we did the plating along the foundation where they put the wood, where the wood meets the concrete, and how I don't know how you all like get those nails in straight. Like we had to redo it multiple times. I mean, we got it thanks to their guidance. But it was awesome, and yeah, the skills that it takes to do this, and the fact that their homes are all built by volunteers, truly amazing.
Yeah. It's really cool.
That is beautiful. Okay, and then also another thing you want to talk about, joined by Faith.
Yes. So first off, I want to say thank you, Faith. Faith is one of our partner home buyers who has agreed to share her story from the foundation to moving in. This is critical because we need to be able to explain what Habitat does and the impact that has for generations to come. So we were thinking about what we're going to call our campaign for this year, and we thought Journey by Faith, which kind of seems logical because her name is Faith. She lives or is going to be living on Faith Lane, and she is
Stop.
and she's guided by Faith.
Oh,
so
that is
it was really cool. Great kids. So right now we are trying to finish up 3 homes, and Faith's home is one of those. And unfortunately, I don't know if you guys know, but price of things is way up. So we're hoping to finish these 3 homes, but only one of them is going to be finished around the beginning of the year. Construction costs are up 40%. So unfortunately, Faith's home is not one of those. So we're really hoping to be able to get her moved in, but it would take a Christmas miracle to be able to do so. So we're asking people to go to journeybyfaith.org, learn about Faith. There's videos, the story about Faith, and we're going to have more videos coming up really soon. But and make sure when you go to that page, click on the Give Today button. And I mean, it would be an awesome Christmas miracle if we could get her in there by Christmas. So her and her family can spend it there.
Awesome. Well, make sure you go to that website and donate. Let's try to raise as much money as we can to get her in that house.
Yes, please do.
But we also have our RePrice Is Right game, of
we
course.
do.
So let's take a look
do.
at the screen.
There we'll stand
Always looking
aside.
at amazing items available at the ReStore. We'll see their actual retail price.
Yes.
And then the Habitat price. There we go.
And
Oh,
We're
sorry,
gonna have
Miss Chandler, step in
Chandler's
just a little
gonna,
bit. Let's make sure you're on camera.
She's gonna play as well.
Okay, Chandler, I love this.
Okay, so what is this? An acrylic clawfoot tub and original faucet. That is gorgeous.
Oh, I want one.
What the?
It is awesome.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, retail.
$13.99.
$13.99.
And this is, of course, approximate retail. It's hard to pick for
Yeah.
something like this. And
Okay, I think the ReStore price is $1,000.
Okay, I'm gonna say $850.
Ooh, I'm gonna split the middle and go 900.
Okay.
Okay, let's
All
see.
right. All right.
$650.
Wow.
Wow.
It's pretty
With
cool.
the original faucet, now you don't see that every day.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
And I'll tell you, people walk in the ReStore, and that's the first thing that they veer off to. It's really funny.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's see our next one.
Okay, whitewood mirror, flat bottom that could be wall
That's
mounted
pretty.
or treated as a lean-to. Okay.
Okay.
Estimated retail price.
Oh, we don't have one on this
Oh, we
one.
don't. Okay.
Yep. Yep. You gotta wing it on this.
Okay.
I'm gonna say this one is, because I buy a lot of mirrors, because I love mirrors. They reflect light, makes rooms look bigger. There's your design advice for today.
Thank you.
I'm gonna say $100.
Chandler, any guesses?
Ooh,
Miss Chandler, I'm so sorry. Step in.
Hi,
We're just making
sorry.
sure we're all on camera. There we go.
Sorry, I'm
sorry.
trying
There
real
we go.
hard to stay up. No, I'm just kidding. $85.
85.
I'm gonna say 60.
And the price is $45.
Hey, I don't know if you noticed, there's in the reflection you see a couch. You see all this other couches back behind. Just want to let you know we are going to be open Black Friday, and we're going to have sales on couches, on all kinds of things. So
Amazing.
just
Perfect.
FYI.
Well, speaking of couches, how about this?
Oh, that look at this
Ma-
sectional.
Faux leather and soft plush fabric sofa, which I love, with the shades at the end, which is lovely. I'm gonna say this one is $500.
I'm gonna go just a smidge. I'm gonna say $325.
Oh gosh, I'd say 600.
Okay.
And $150.
Okay.
That
I
was
actually
brand
texted
new.
this one to my wife because we need a couch. So
Oh,
it might be
look-
gone by the
I
time you
think
show
that
up.
this needs a hold sign with
Yeah.
my name.
Yes.
This is amazing. Okay, there we go. And also, too,
Okay.
Aaron, come in quickly. Talk about
Okay,
MSU really
Okay,
fast.
so MSU, they come to the ReStore. It's the interior design department. They come to the ReStore, they pick out items, they refinish it, they refurbish it, and there's some really cool stuff. But this is part of their final project that they do. So they get to either buy it and take it home, or leave it and we can sell it.
Okay.
It's really cool.
And when is this happening?
This actually already happened. This happened last week.
Oh,
and
okay,
this
okay.
is what, we just wanted to showcase.
Oh,
So,
that's awesome. I
just,
love that.
Ah.
I wish I was that talented, but I'm not.
I know, it was really cool.
No, I just
Some
love
great- yeah.
that the design students get to use their creativity and repurpose, reuse,
Yes.
recycle, and come up with something amazing, which is great.
Right.
Well, guys, head to the ReStore. You can get great Christmas items as well as great furniture, great tile, great everything.
Great
Just love it. And
everything.
thank you, Chandler, for Harvest
Very
Bank and everything you're
welcome.
helping.
You're very welcome.
December 9th, right? 9th, yes.
There we go.